Hi, this is Tim Brubaker. I'm going to show you today how we make these little fuse harnesses with Anderson PowerPole connectors on either end, how we fabricate those, and so we won't forget. You start with two fuse holders. These are 15 amp fuse holders, I believe. So we're going to cut the lead. We're going to face them the same direction, pinch the leads off here square, and cut them evenly. This just makes things a little neater. Then we're going to strip the ends. And we're going to spin the braid together so that the connectors go on smoothly. Get our Anderson PowerPole fingers. Same thing with the second one. Now we're going to, since both wires are red, we're going to heat shrink one of them black so that there's just less confusion. So we're going to cut our heat shrink to length. Slide that on. Fire up the heat gun. Shrink the heat shrink tubing. That's the part you got to be careful unless you want to melt your finger. Same thing for the other side. Mark it with your thumb, flip off the excess, slide it on, same deal over here. Start in the middle and work towards the outside, otherwise you can easily get a bubble that will stay there. And you don't want a bubble in your heat shrink, so always start in the middle and work towards the ends so the air can get out. Alright, while that cools, we're going to put a little short piece of heat shrink on the red positive wire. This functions more as a strain relief. We're going to trap that in place. The other end of your positive cable. And I slide it right up to where the end of the crimp. That's where I start the heat shrink. This lets it extend about a 1/4 to 1/2 inch outside the housing of the Anderson PowerPole connector. Put the red one down, let it cool, and we'll go ahead and slide the black cable up in here. Push till it clicks. Same thing on the other end. Push. Sometimes it can be a bit of a chore to get them up in there. It clicks and locks in. Take your red, do the same thing. You want to orient for appearance sake, I like to orient the loops on the caps the same way. Strictly an OCD thing, not a big deal. Put the red one in there, push till it locks. Put the red in over here. Line it up and push till it locks. Finish up with some tie wraps to make it look nice, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.